Hey girl, hey, good morning and happy Friday. It's Friday morning. We're gonna keep these good vibes rolling. It's Halloween Eve, right? It's October Eve. We've got our pumpkin mug. We love her or him, not sure. I'm kind of on a black coffee with the nut pod kick, so I've got the toasted marshmallow creamer, just a splash. I don't like to drink coffee flavored milk, right? It's currently 68 degrees in Texas. If you know anyone that lives in Texas, it has been 100 degrees for the past 3 months, okay? So if you know anyone in Texas, send up the good vibes, send up your prayers, because we're literally burning. But not anymore, girl, not anymore, because it's 68 degrees out. So we are working from home today. I work from home on Friday. I am gonna put sheets on the bed this morning, but someone, not naming any names, this little chica used the potty on our bed. We don't love her for that. So potty training is going really great. A great fall taco soup that we're going to be throwing in a crock pot. Delish. There's some like cleaning, fall cleaning. We're hoping to have like a little garage sale soon. When I work from home, I don't usually get ready. I will probably not do my hair, but like throw my hair back in a braid. But I definitely don't do makeup. But anyway, I'm excited to spend the day with you. So let's go. So currently this is our garage sale pile. As you can see, we've got a lot going on of just stuff. We're hoping to have a garage sale in like the next couple of weeks. So I'm gonna go through our stuff now and kind of find some things to add to the pile. Hopefully we can get this mess out of here soon. Okay, let's get ready for today. Quite frankly, my skin, it just hasn't been skinning lately, okay? We've got some breakouts. And so I really just tried to simplify the skin routine. All I have been doing is spraying this. This is the Tower 28 SOS spray. I haven't been using her very long. It's literally been a week. So I can't really tell you that it's done a lot, but I'll get back with you in like a month and let you know. But this spray is supposed to be like an essence spray to like freshen up your skin, you know? Okay, so I'm just gonna, everyone did say that it smelled like a pool, and I would agree. It does smell like a freshly chlorinated pool, but it quickly goes away. It's just when you spray it. I'm gonna just throw my hair back really quick in a little braid. This is what I do mostly at the end of the week when she's greasy. Okay, so we take the Olaplex and we just like run it back, and we're gonna start brushing it back, but leaving the middle part, okay? Now you want a sturdy headband. So this is what I've got. These are from Amazon. I don't necessarily think they're like the best headbands ever, but they do hold my hair, which is pretty thick. Take a little rubber band and we're gonna braid it. If your arms are tired by the end of it, you're doing it right. So I'm gonna take this hair wax stick. This is from Amazon. We're going to do the baby flyaways right on the edge. And if there's anything sticking up. Not today, girly. You gotta go. Hairspray. I like sprayed on one side and then I use my hand to like slick it back, okay? You can like pull out the ends of the braid, give it a looser look. I think my dog's throwing up, hold on. All right, now that that's taken care of, you know when you hear that noise of your like dog gagging from the other room? That's what I heard, but she's good. We're ready for today. I'm going to juice some celery, but the juicer is in the washing machine. So when that's done, we're gonna get it popping. But for now, I'm gonna go back to work. Let's make a fall taco soup. I'm starting off with pinto beans, a can of diced tomatoes, corn, black beans, kidney beans, beef broth, taco seasoning, and ranch seasoning. And we're gonna dump all these ingredients into our crock pot. Once you add everything to your crock pot, you're going to cook it on low, and then you're going to start browning some ground beef and throw it into the pot as well. During my lunch break, I like to pick up the house a little bit, make the bed, and pick up pretty much the dog toys are my main thing. I will say that I don't make the bed every single day, but I definitely do when I try to get a chance because it makes everything just feel so much cleaner. But the main things are the living room and kitchen. I like to make sure they're picked up and wiped down. Hey y'all, what's going on? It is a little over 1 o'clock. I'm just on my lunch break and we're getting in our hydration. This is just a reminder, if you're currently watching my video, go get your water, whatever you need to do to hydrate, and start chugging because we are in hydrated girl era. It's good for your skin. We've gotten a lot done today, you guys. We are really trugging along on our to-do list. The next things I've been avoiding, you know those things you put at the top of your to-do list and you're like, these have got to get done, and then they literally you skip them and you do the easier things first. These are my things, okay? So I have a mountain of laundry. I'm not just talking about a load. I'm talking about 6 loads that I've let pile up. And then I need to make the guest bedroom bed, okay? So those are the 2 things I need to do. I'm just gonna get it over with. Let me just show you the mountain. There she is. So we're gonna take her to the living room, okay? Pepper, did you already get started on folding for Mama? No, okay.
The next day we ended up and we just enjoyed walking around and seeing all of the details.
It is a little bit later and I actually just made myself a little afternoon coffee since I'm on a little break from work. I've been making my own Starbucks drinks. We have a Breville espresso machine and I was gonna film a little tutorial on how I make my iced lattes with cold foam. But I decided to film a little TikTok, so go check it out if you want to see the recipe. This cold foam has changed the game, and this whole thing is sugar-free, so it's a win-win. So go check that out. I will have the video linked below. I have a little bit of extra cold foam too, so I'm just gonna pour that extra on top. So I let our dog outside 10 minutes ago, and I just looked. And this baby is just lounging on the couch. What is her doing? Are you just lounging? Are you just being a little loungy girl? What's your sister up to? You just love it out here? Oh my goodness. Do you want to go potty? You want to go potty? Come here. Literally, you have to throw her in the grass or she's not gonna go. Okay, good girl. Well, it is 6 o'clock. And it's time to try the soup. I'm really excited because the soup is delicious if you top it with like some cheese and avocado.
Oh my gosh.
You're silly.
That Taco Bell by my booty hole single.
I'm leaving that in the video. What's wrong? Are you sleepy?
Well, that is exactly what